Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video we're gonna have a closer look at Stamp Club from Tonic Studios. This is a stamp set called Sunshine and Sunflowers and comes with coordinating dies and also dies if you want just to do some die cutting, and layering die cuts. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use the stamp set. I have here a watercolor paper, and I'm going to use Misty tool. This is Misty and Hero Arts, collaborating together. That's why the color is black. Anyway, you can use Misty, you can use a stamp block, whatever suits you. And because this is a watercolor, you will not get the first impression from the first time, so you have to keep stamping multiple times. I used Gina K brown ink. To color the sunflowers, I'm going to use Dr. P.H. Martin's. It's a liquid watercolors. It's my first time to use liquid watercolors. They are very, very vibrant colors, so you need really to dilute them using water. I'm going to speed it up because I'm not going to, I color them I think in 2 to 3 days. So I just, add some colors, then add some water to dilute the color. I like also to mix some other colors, in the same range, like yellow and orange, and you will see me also mixing orange and red. This is the beauty of watercolors. There is no right or wrong. I really like that the colors just play together, and I keep them, I don't use, heat tool to set them or to dry them. I just let them, air dry. And you see, just when I add the water, see how the red will dilute and get, mixed with the yellow. It's so beautiful. Okay, so after watercoloring all the sunflowers, I fussy cut them. I know it comes with dies, but I don't know, now I enjoy fussy cutting, the flowers. So after I fussy cut them, sometimes you will have with white edges. So I use a brown marker. This is from Fabric Castle, or you can use any brown marker or black marker, but because I stamped with brown, so I, try to highlight, or not highlight, try, to add like, the line that I cut it while I'm fussy cutting. Definitely you can skip this and just use the dies. After, I did, yes, and I use also the color pencil just to add some highlight and definition to all the flowers, and to add extra textures I use white gesso, and add some splatter, because splatter really give this beautiful vintage shabby chic maybe look to the flowers. I added a glossy accent in the middle just to give this dimension look for the flowers. And I'm going, to arrange them for the cards. And here is my first card, the slimline card. I really love them so much. The flower, the clusters together, perfect. And also I created a bookmark. Now let's go for die cutting. So again, as I said, the dies is you can cut the stamps, but I decided to just use just white cardstock and die cut all the elements like twice, and I'm going to color them using ink. So I am here using Distress inks, and I choose 2 shades, like dark pink, light pink. So first I'm going to lay the lightest colors, sponge, I think it's called sponge. I don't remember the names, but whatever, you can use any light shade of pink. Then after coloring the entire flower, you can take the darker shade or the dark pink and just highlight the edges, as you see here. now I added glue dots in the middle, and I'm going to add the center of the flower. Again, these flower meant to layer on top of each other, but I'm not going to layer, put them on top of each other. Just I'm gonna have like flat flower. My son Jibril is helping me. He was playing outside in the backyard. They will see his hands full of, mud. But luckily I saved my flowers. Okay, so here, I die cut the panel for my card, and I used embossing folder. This is a 3D embossing folder to add, dimension to my card, and voila, here is the card. And the end, I layer them because I think they look beautiful when you layer them up. So I hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.